What's up, guys? I look like a snowman. I actually just wiped off my face with a wet napkin, but look like a straight snowman. Now I'm black and I'm white. But I got some smooth ass walls though. These walls are smooth as butter. So now it's time to prime and paint. Prime and paint. Smooth as butter. Whew. Man, that was a bitch. Excuse my language. I bought this orbital sander, so I used that. And then I also used my block. I got a sanding block around here somewhere. You can see everything is white. The whole place is white. But yeah, it took a while, but it's smooth. So on to the next part.
All right, guys, so all the painting is done. You can see I just finished the sealant. Got white speckled paints on my face, but yeah, the walls, ceiling, all painted. And actually time to clean up inside of here. It's time to actually clean up all this mess, because the next thing to do is the floor. So all this garbage, well, it's just a garbage bag, but all my tools and stuff. I just take up all that because I got to put the floor down before I could put all the molding and quarter trims and everything else in. So just gonna clean this place up, clean it up, empty. What's up, guys? So just finished picking up the flooring. Got the flooring right there, some LVP at pretty good price too, from this spot here, American Liquidation. So you know, got a big discount. The floor cost about $500. At Home Depot, the same floor is gonna cost me almost $900. So almost 50% discount. We'll take that, right? So you know, bring it to the house and let's get busy. All right, guys, you see some. This is self-leveler on the floor because, you know, it's a garage, so garage always slope down just a little bit. So I just want to put some self-leveler, so it's just leveling itself out. You can see where it's kind of settling over there. That way this floor is perfectly even. And yeah, then I could just start putting the floor down, but everything is cleared out, and about to just start doing some electrical. Where's that? Right there. Start doing some electrical. Putting some plugs on, some switches on while I'm waiting on that to cure. And yeah, so you can see the floor leveler is dried. That little corner right there is not dry though. It's not 100% dry, so I won't go to that little corner, but the rest of the floor is dry and ready for this nice, beautiful LVP, luxury vinyl plank, 25-year residential, 100% waterproof. So this is the good stuff, the premium stuff, because, you know, you got the doorway, you got the bathroom, even though there's a different design going in the bathroom, but, you know, I don't want no water messing up the flooring. So let me get busy, get this down, show you what it is. What's up, guys? So I got the final piece, which is fridge. You can see this fridge is perfect for the size room. Reaches me right about my neck. So this is the final piece. Gonna get this inside behind this door, and then yeah, I'm gonna, you know, bring you guys inside. Finally reveal this to you. I'm actually pretty happy with the way it came out, but you know, let me put this in, then bring you guys in. All right, guys, so finally done. 95% done. 95 is inside, completely done. 5% is outside here, where I have to still do the plumbing, tap into the septic system, but that's something I got to kind of wait on something else in order to do, which I should be done with that in about a week. This has been done about a week ago, just haven't had time. There's little quirks and stuff, little things that I had to kind of work out. But, you know, without further ado, let's check it out. now. Space is emptied out. I just got a few things over there that, you know, I'm gonna need those anyway. Paint colors for this house. But this entire wall, you can see that they had some supporting freaking bolts or whatever to hold our ceiling up. HVAC, where we at? Fresh HVAC right up there, you see it. So yeah, just gonna get grinding on this wall. Window in here. Entire roof is down, ducting, some electrical ran, but I have to run some more electrical. But you know, so far, so good. It's going here, so masks, gloves, the whole shebang. Stay tuned. All right, so as you come in, this is the little kitchenette area, faucet, nice deep sink, little accent backsplash. Zoom out a little bit. So a little bit of accent, you know, on this backsplash. I kind of actually carved into each of these boards on each side, painted the wall black, just to kind of give the kitchen a little bit of, you know, different feel. This is the two burner countertop. This is an electric 2-burner countertop, and this entire really nice wood countertop, which I stained so water don't damage that. You can see I have 2 different colors going on here for the cabinets. That's because I really like this one, but I had these 2 first, and that's just how they're gonna stay because I like it just like that. Come over on this side, we got the mini fridge, which is a perfect size fridge for this apartment because, you know, got a nice deep freezer there, and yeah, you got plenty of compartments down below. And of course, the room area, nice wood floor with the, you know, gray trimmings. The window, brand new window there. You can see that those have the blinds. That blinds is a little bit too big for that window, so I have to go get the correct size. Put this blinds in. Over here we got the closet. So you know, I am gonna put a hook so you can put clothes on and put, you know, one shelf so you can do a lot of storage. It's actually pretty tall, so plenty of storage can go in there. And one of the favorite things I like is this this light in here. So if you come over here, this is actually the remote. This is the remote for the for the light. And the thing about the light is you could actually press it, and you can have, that's the fan. You got medium for the fan, high. Then you can just stop it all together. Cute little fan. And for the lights, you got different different colors. You turn it off, turn it on, you can see it got brighter. Turn it off, turn it on, you can see it's a different hue now. Turn it off again. Now you got like a dim yellow type hue. And this is a bright daylight hue. But yeah, real nice, cozy space. And of course, we got the barn door here. Got the barn door here. And nice and smooth, coming to the bathroom area. Light and vent. Got your vanity there. Got this nice towel rack. Love that mirror. Love that shower, all glass, go around. And of course the toilet and this nice little fancy tissue holder. Nice and smooth. And we did it, you know, I did a different floor in here because, you know, I kind of wanted a transition, something different. So, you know, nice. It's still LVP, but it's like a marble LVP, and I think it goes very well with the room and the space. You can see the vanity and the door, you know, closely matching colors. But yeah, that's it, guys. You got the LED light over there for the kitchen area. You got the vent there for that HVAC. And yeah, that's so that's it, guys. That's the room. It took me about a month and a half to complete this from total scratch. This was not nowhere near a room. Like, it was nothing like this. You know, got these different little accents here. Got the gray, and then got the midnight. This is the to match the barn door there. But yeah, you know, nice little accents and things. But that's it. Did it, and it feels really good to finally get this project completed and over with. It looks so good that the town actually stopped by. The tax assessors, they saw what was going on, and they decided to stop by and want to know what's going on. I had to kind of shut the door in their face, like, to mind your business. I'm not trying to pay you no more taxes. I already paid you enough. But whatever. That's gonna happen anyway. They're always trying to stop your money. But yeah, guys, hope you like it. You know, stay tuned. There'll be more stuff like this: car bills, house bills, bills. You know, looking at some other properties right now to purchase, and you know, put my own little touches on them. And yeah, you know, just keep on grinding, keep on building. So like, subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.